various manufacturers. I'm not sure that all of them are the same, but this typically would fit a Bobcat. I'm not sure about John Deere, although we did test it on a John Deere at the manufacturer, so I'm pretty sure it would work on a John Deere. The other Kubota, some of the other manufacturers, we'd have to test and make sure it fits. So this is the remote control. It is wireless from the machine attachment. Control modules in there. Then this controls the on and off of the rotation of the crusher device. And then there's a in and out function to extend the reach for it or retract it. And then there's a left and right button to rotate it left or right. As you come to an end of a fence and you don't want to turn around and put it back to the other end, so you rotate it to the other side, and that saves a lot of time. Ideally, in operation, the engine speed needs to be a maximum RPM, and that allows for 720 RPM at the fixture, and that is the best speed to where it really will shred the tumbleweeds easily. And it also reaches through the fence without damaging the post or any of the clips on the barbed wire fence. And it will So in order to install these, it's a straight 18-inch long piece of trimmer cord. And it threads from the outside to the center. So it's held in place by this biscuit that has all the proper dimensions to hold that cord in place. Each group is offset from the other, so they don't interfere when they come together.
All right. sealed and lubricated bearings.
And the only reason they have a grease zerk here is to allow the housing to tip about the bearing itself. So it'll rarely need, you know, in a season, you might grease that one shot of grease. There are no other lubrication points on it. This is all a sealed
Sealed
worm
unit?
drive.
Okay.
It's hydraulically driven. There's a grease zerk here for the worm gear that turns against the big circular gear. And that's what drives it from left to right.